Oh, that was wonderfully delicious. I didn't go and stick my toe in. It's a bit far away and a bit dirty and brushes and whatever, blah, but got a couple of pics and video. Little play park, I mean, who on earth? It's like, okay. I mean, if that's kind of what you think, okay, let's bring the kids down to the beach. Yes. Alright, so we're going to head back into Oranjes. And I get a bite to eat. Because I think Alexander Bay is not going to have anything. It'll probably be the same kind of stuff, just a shopping centre and whatever. But there's no real, it's not on the river, I don't think, it's not on anything. So it'll probably be a nicer, well, I mean, Oranjemund is inland anyway, I guess, to protect it from the Mursa winds that come in. Alright, so I'll switch off until we're going into Oranjes.